Good day, children. I am Mrs. Vanessa Honey Thomas. How are you feeling today? Would you like to learn something new in English? So today I am going to present a lesson in Standard 8 in English grammar called Synonyms and Antonyms. So let's get started. So, have you ever wondered what words we use when there are so many words that means very similar things? Just take a look at some examples. Here we have some words: intelligent, smart, bright and brilliant. Do they all mean exactly the same thing? I mean, in a way they kind of do, because they all tell you that somebody is smart or is clever or is intelligent. But then why do we have so many different words that meaning exactly the same thing? But that because in the English language there are many different words that have similar meanings. However, they each have their own specific views. So these such words have the similar meanings, but each of them are used separately or in different ways. Such words are called synonyms. Now we will see what are synonyms. Synonyms are different words that mean the same are known as synonyms. For example, funny, silly; reply, answer; fast, quick. Now over here, funny and silly. Funny and silly. The meaning is same, but the spellings are different. These are known as synonyms. What is the importance of synonyms? Synonyms are similar meanings. Words helps to make our spoken and written language interesting, fluent and variety in language and have powerful effect. Types of synonyms. Synonyms exist as parts of speech. So here are some examples. In verbs, look at the words teach. It would also be instruct, educate, seek, search. Look for nouns. For the same could be teacher, instructor, educator. Test, exam, assessment. I'm sure your list of vocabulary is increasing right now. Let's look for adjectives: smart, intelligent, clever; dumb, stupid, slow. And adverbs: very, really, extremely, quietly, silently, without a sound. Examples of synonyms. I have a list for you. Let's read the following examples. Number 1, bad, awful, terrible, horrible. 2, good, fine, excellent, great. Number 3, hot, burning, fury, boiling. Number 4 is cold, chilly, freezing, frosty. Number 5, easy, simple, effortless, straightforward. Number 6, hard, difficult, challenging, tough. Number 7, big, large, huge, giant. Number 8, small, tiny, little, mini. Now I will read the 3 sentences which shared the same situation. Number 1 statement is, the small child was quickly eating a cold ice cream cone which gave him a bad headache. Second statement, the little kid was rapidly gobbling a frosty ice cream cone which gave him an awful headache. Statement 3, the youngster was speedily consuming a freezing ice cream cone which gave him a terrible headache. Now, if we look all the three sentences, they are describing very much the same thing. As you can see, the three sentences share the same situation, but sentences 2 and 3 paint a better picture because they use synonyms for some of the dull words. In the first sentence, words like rapidly, gobbling, awful, and terrible are much more descriptive than quickly, exciting, and bad. They have the same meanings as in the first sentence, but stronger expressions. Now what we have learned from synonyms that we need to use better words whenever we are expressing an idea rather than the common words. I hope you understood synonyms. Let us test this with the help of practice exercise. Write at least 3 synonyms for each of the following words. I am giving you 15 seconds to think to sort out this activity. Okay children, check your answers. Now I will read the following words. Sad, unhappy, sorrowful, depressed. Happy, cheerful, delighted, joyful. Excited, thrilled, eager, enthusiastic. Anger, furious, irritated, mad. Surprised, amaze, astonish, stun, beautiful, attractive, pretty, good looking, ugly, plain, unattractive, nasty. Fight, battle, contest, quarrel. Now, what is an antonym? A word that has the opposite meaning of another word. For example, the opposite of generous is selfish. Generous means to give willingly. Selfish means to keep everything for yourself. That is why selfish is the antonym or opposite of generous. Here are more examples. Inadequate is the antonym or opposite of sufficient. Small is the antonym of enormous. Easy is the antonym for difficult. On the other side, you can see some pictures. There are some more antonyms like come, go, young, old, hot, cold. These are all examples of antonyms. Let's see some more examples of antonyms. Number 1, cease, release. Number 2, promotion, demotion. Number 3, interesting, boring. Number 4, humid, dry. Number 5, master, servant. Number 6, genuine, fake. Number 7, mark, erase. Number 8, general, specific. Number 9, former, current. Number 10, faulty, functioning. Antonyms are formed by prefixes and suffixes. Now let's understand each of them in detail. Prefixes. Prefixes change the meaning of the word. Prefixes are used to give us the opposite or antonym of a word. Words like un, inn, ill, im, dis, and non are added before a word to make the antonyms of the word. Examples as follow: able, unable, capable, incapable, legal, illegal, mature, immature, advantage, disadvantage, conformist, non-conformist. Now we will look for the practice exercise on prefixes. Number 1, un is the common. Happy, unhappy, do, undo, know, unknown, usual, unusual. Number 2, word is in is used in many words of French and Latin origins. For example, exact, inexact, direct, indirect, significant, insignificant, complete, incomplete. Number 3, ill is used before words that begins with the letter L. Legal, illegal, literate, illiterate, logical, illogical, legible, illegible. Number 4, im is used before word that begins with M or P. Modest, immodest, moral, immoral, polite, impolite, possible, impossible. Number 5. Another negative prefixes is dis. Examples are approve, disapprove, comfort, discomfort, honest, dishonest, like, dislike. Number 6, non is also used as a negative prefix. For example, essential, non-essential, sense, nonsense, cooperation, non-cooperation, significant, non-significant. There are many more prefixes, and these usually comes from Latin and Greek language. Suffixes. Suffixes are attached to the end of words. When you add a suffix to a word, you change the part of speech. For examples, the words beauty is a noun. When you add ful full to it, it becomes beautiful, which is an adjective. For examples for suffixes are care, careful, doubt, doubtless, cool, coolness. Examples of suffixes are power, powerful, help, helpful, use, useful, joy, joyful, cheer, cheerful, cool, coolness, dark, darkness, dry, dryness, humble, humbleness, thought, thoughtless, doubt, doubtless, end, endless, fear, fearless, help, helpless. There are many other more suffixes. Students, your home task is write a synonym and antonym for each word. Use the words from the word box, and the statements are true, damp, cry, alike, belt, heart, sick, wealthy, hungry, brave. Students, do all your homework given to you from the first topic till the present one in your school copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your home task. Thank you.